nga pala si JP, pinaka-poging lalaki sa
May
Yuma.
bond paper ka dyan.
Wala akong band paper. At nasa market po kami kasama ang pinakamagandang girlfriend ko.
Hello!
Ano yun?
Baby!
Kanta ka nga ulit.
Now that I found you, I won't let you go. I'll be around you. I need you so, baby, even now.
Kanta-kanta pa eh, no?
Baby, now that I found you, I won't let you go. I built my world around you. I need you so.
Yan ang market sa baba. There's 2 gay guys. Homo. Ha 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 ha.